Ataszek, modern technologies for joining materials. Swimming pool foil bonding. Hello, today we're going to bond swimming pool foil that is thick PVC with a thinner mesh inside. Sometimes they come without such mesh. This one here is a thick color one, no monocolor. It has mesh inside 1.4–1.5 mm thick. Manuals. Guidance. Advice. Hints. Welding. Bonding. Glues dosing. Ataszek video manual. I'll use BOSITE PLAN equipped with 30 mm nozzle. If you wish to use 40 mm nozzle, then you will need BOSITE roof. Then you may use 40 mm nozzle. Then bonding is wider then. The device is standard and classic in structure. The temperature controller with a display where you may see the desired and given temperature, speed up to 10 meters, the main switch, an additional movement switch. When I remove the nozzle, you will see the safety switch here. But so if you was to enable the movement, then you press the movement switch. Those two bolts here are used in situations when you take thicker materials and you wish to bond faster. You may install 3 to 5 kilograms weights here. You may install them on these bolts so to increase press in thicker foils. I will prepare the materials for bonding now. Remember to always perform a test beforehand the materials you wish to bond. I have set 440 degrees and 2.6 meters. I have set due to the spaces limitations I have here. Remember to select a proper temperature for the bonded material speed beforehand. As you can see, it has been bonded perfectly. It is robust. To learn more, click the link below. Any welding or bonding problems, visit our forum at Facebook. Make sure you visit our page at www.ataszek.pl.